Yo! What you saying? What you saying? We're here with Mandeep!
Yo! In the house!
In the house, fam! Today, we're bringing you something a bit new and fresh. Given this whole scenario and situation. Yeah? Lockdown, quarantine, we're still in it. We've been baking and cooking a lot. We do it separately.
We do it separately.
We do it separately.
Do it separately quite a bit, I think, yeah.
Yeah?
We don't really talk about it much, though, do we? We do it a little bit, but we don't, we do it, I think we do. We thought we'd come together, synergy, 2 in 1, just mesh that energy and just make something.
We're just going to be mixing something up together, shoving in an oven, and then eating it. I'm going to be doing an American style apple pie.
I'm going to be doing a key lime pie. Key lime pie originates from Key West in Florida. So I've been to Florida twice, very nice sort of state. Yeah, I've got some fun memories of Florida, so I thought I'll make something, take me back there a little bit.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I might have to quite try.
Now we've got it. American style apple pie. American style key lime pie.
We might as well be in America.
My God. Should we get into this?
Could do, yeah. Start cooking. Good.
The apple pie. We're first going to be making the crust. So what I've got here is 280 grams of all-purpose flour. Chuck it into a food processor. I'm doing a very shit job of it. Try and get as much as you can in it, but 280 grams. Cool, we're gonna blend it down, just turn it, make it a bit thinner. Push that off so you can actually see the button of it. You're just gonna few blitzes.
It's quite nice how it dances up and down.
Then we're gonna add some butter. We're gonna use like a whole stick of butter. Bam. Yeah.
A lot of butter.
Yeah. What I've done is I've cut it up into little pieces. There we go. Oh, it's broken. Oh, there we go.
Oh, there you go.
We're good with that. We're gonna put this into a bowl now. Boom. Make sure you don't put the blade in there. Take the blade out. Mix it a bit together.
Good to use your hands. Get up all in there.
That's it. Get up all in there, man. Get up all in there.
Don't be worried about using gloves or getting your hands dirty. It's the
extra love from your hands that makes the food extra tasty. It's just like these fingers here, when you put that energy into the food, it just brings something else into it. So the more love, tender, the kindness you put in,
can we get a bit closer?
The more the love, the tender, the kindness you put into this, the better it turns out. That's a key for you out there. No one else can tell you this stuff. None of the other recipes, but tell you, top tip.
Alright, back to this flipping thing, alright? So I've mixed it up now. Once you've got all the butter kind of floured up and ready,
all mixed up,
we're going to start adding iced water, little by little, teaspoons, and just getting a feel of it. I'm going to actually use a spatula for this. Mix that up, just to mix it. It's getting there, starting to stick. We're going to add some more water. You're going to keep on adding, adjusting how much you need. Got it clean. We're going to add some flour.
Add a few grams down there.
That's it. Do you know what I'm saying? Make sure it's spread, nothing too wild.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Yeah. And then we're just going to pour this out. That's what I'm talking about.
It's actually coming out pretty good, you know?
You know what I'm saying?
It's actually pretty decent.
Yo, you know what I'm saying, Mandy? It looks like there's a lot of butter, but you know what? We need that. That's it. So what you'll see some butter in there. And that's what you want. And then what we're gonna do is, we're gonna chuck this in the fridge for about half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour, letting it sit, yeah? Wrap that up tight. There we go. There's your pastry. We're gonna chuck it in the fridge for about half an hour. Bam.
That's it.
Okay, so 25 minutes have passed. I've got my dough out from the fridge and we're just gonna unwrap it. I'm gonna cut this in half. You got that? Yeah? The reason that we cut it in half is because we're gonna need half of it later. For the top part, we're gonna chuck this back in the fridge. We're gonna flour the surface because you don't want it. When we're rolling it out, We don't want it to get stuck. This
that's
a necessity in life. This is a necessity in life.
Even if you don't use
is the same one.
it's just nice to have.
Let's just push this out a bit. Damn, there's so much butter in this thing. Okay, let's roll this out. Flour on your vellana, on your rolling pin.
Keep rolling.
So what we've got here is we've rolled it out. Managed to roll this stuff out. We're gonna get a bowl, grease that stuff up. We want to make sure that it's kind of as round as possible, and we're going to place it in this bowl. It's kind of cracking a bit. I wouldn't worry too much. Oh, there we go. Look at that. I'm actually quite happy with that. Add some foil here. You just want to put enough in there so it weighs it down. Bang this in the oven, I reckon, until it goes brown on the edges. That's what we're looking for, just a bit brown. It's about 5 apples. 5 apples, we're gonna, not grate them, freaking
Chop them.
We're gonna unpeel them first.
Probably want to take the stickers off as well.
Mate, you know what? Just leave my apples alone, alright? Here we go, let's get this started. Boom. We're gonna cut this shit up. Boom. Put that bit of that pad masala on.
Right that pad masala bangs, bro.
Now you got your apples cut up, yeah? And we're gonna start putting a bit of flavouring on that stuff.
Boy, tandoori masala bangs, yo.
This little fake squeezy thing, put some of that on it. Do you know why they put the lemon on, Mandy? No, the reason that they put it on is so it doesn't go brown. 3/4 cups of sugar. Gonna mix that up a bit. 1 teaspoon of this cinnamon. Then we're gonna use about 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Then we're gonna chuck some ginger powder in it. Gonna mix this up now. Use your hands. We're just gonna put it to the side. I've got the base of it, and then I'm gonna shove it with apples. And I'm going to put the lid on top. Got the dough out the fridge. Dust the surface as we've done previously. Whack that down. Bang. Last one. Let's do this. I'm going to push this down because it needs to be. It's quite tough because it's been in the fridge for a while.
It needs to be.
Hey, behave yourself. We've got it all rolled out. There's the top part. There's the hat. We're going to put as much filling as we can. Oh my days, there's so much juice coming into it. Now we've got that. We're going to put the top bit, boom. I'm just gonna press it down as much as I can. I'm gonna create some slits as well.
What are you writing?
I'm not writing anything.
INTSUKH. Was it? Sukh was here 2020, yeah?
We're gonna whack this back in the oven for another hour or so.
Lord hear that.
Get out of here! We got Mandeep, he's gonna be making his stuff now. Come on, man.
So I've literally just got some ginger nut biscuits, some butter here. Just gonna blitz them up in the food processor, and then make the crust, and then put the crust into the oven. Grab like about 200 grams, or just a nice stack. Chuck that in there. Get it just evenly spread it around, all up in there. Add a few more for good luck. Yeah, probably want to blitz this first to get a texture so it's a bit crumbly.
You want to grease your pan.
Tuck this butter in here.
Ooh. Bam. More biscuits.
Add some more
Added
biscuits.
some more biscuits, bro.
Just because I felt the consistency and it was quite buttery. So when it comes out after it's baked, it won't have that crunch to it. It's not even chopped. That's it's ready to eat.
That's just left alone.
And then ready to pour in.
Here we go. Oh, that was
Just make
good.
a nice consistency here with this thing here.
That was good, man.
There's a nice bit of surface area there, and you can just literally pound it down. You got to just put that in the oven now, bake it for
5 minutes.
and then let it cool after. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Just whack it in.
Alright, just
Here
whack
we go.
it in.
Whack it in.
Okay, so this is the main ingredient for the recipe. It's a lime. What you want to do is grate it so you get the zest all up in there, and this will be used for the mixture. Key factor is you want these to be unwaxed. Sometimes you get the supermarket, go to the supermarkets, they'll put a coating of wax just to protect the fruit. I don't know how it works because like sometimes you might eat the wax, and I don't know why they put the wax on the food. I don't know if it's safe or it's unsafe, but yeah, I was quite surprised because they put wax on fruit, man. But yeah, make sure they're unwaxed, because if you're using the zest, it's not 100% fresh, so you just grate up the zest. Do as many limes as you like. Well, no, about 6. Do 6. Got my zest that I've grated up here. It's quite nice. If you could smell that, oh my god. If you could smell that.
Oh my god.
What you want to do is add condensed milk. I like to use my gooder to open the tins if it's got that the clip there. Or like condensed milk. Now you want to add some eggs. 4 eggs.
Jeez.
Not probably
any shells in there?
No, you can't put
shells.
the shells. Nah.
You're profesh.
I'm gonna add all the zest in there. Give that a nice whisk. Whisk that up. So it's nice consistency there. And then what you want to do now, put a sieve over the. There's still pips and stuff that you don't want to get in the pie. Now once that's done, I'm gonna shake off the sieve.
Shake off the sieve.
Bit of a mouthful there, and just whisk this up.
Mandeep completely forgot about his base. But it's been about 10 minutes now.
I think it should be fine though.
It's been about 10 minutes. It looks okay. So we leave this to rest.
I'm gonna give it 15 minutes, 15, 20 minutes.
15, 20 minutes. Alright, let's put this to the side then.
Mixture now, ready to put in a bowl, and I'm just gonna be ready to go in the oven. So literally just gonna pour that in now. Just gonna pour it in now.
Oh, what's your beard? Come on,
Try
your
and
beard
scoop
should be
this
tied
up.
up.
It's nice, you just see the little bits of green in there as well.
How long do you put it in for?
15 minutes.
Alright, cool. Let's shut that in.
Tuck that in. The pie is done. You just want to see the shape there. You just want that consistency, so it's like jelly. You want to leave it out so it goes to room temperature. Once it's gone to room temperature, put it in the fridge a few hours so it'll cool down, and then it's ready to eat.
3 hours later.
Alright, here we are. We're done. That's it. We've got the key lime pie out the fridge. We've got the apple pie out the oven.
Done. 3 hours later, cooled down, all done, finito, finally finished. Go sleep now. That's it. Home time.
Home time. Home time? We haven't even eaten it.
Oh yeah, we haven't.
We haven't even eaten
We'll
it.
do a little taste test.
We'll do a little taste test, but I don't know when the taste test is going to happen because this needs to sit and rest for a while. Whereas the key lime pie is kind of like ready set
to
to
eat.
go,
Yeah,
innit?
ready to eat.
I guess we'll do the key lime pie.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, I'm just gonna take this
He's
apart.
going to take it
now.
out. Oh, this is I'm
gonna
going to move
be-
that to the side. Where's the
You
strength?
proper pop
Where's
out,
the
innit?
strength?
You
I'm
know
scared. I'm scared. Wow. Here we go.
Oh, you got some skills here.
Boom.
Wow.
There you go, man. Grab that. This is kind of... Whew, move that out of the way. Bam! There's a key lime pie!
That's just the pie here.
Woo! Mate, you've done a cracking job there.
You just got to put enough butter down, innit?
You did a cracking job there, my friend.
Oh, there's only about 2 pieces there. Oh.
Oh no. There you go. There's Mandeep's dish. Look at this.
And then I'll eat it.
Oh no. It's a bit liquidy, it seems. So, as you can see, it's just not fully set yet. So we're actually
good.
going to bang this back in the fridge. Do the honours, mate.
Alright, I'm going to go for like a...
You're going to go for a base, yeah?
Solidy kind of piece. Got some base in there as well.
Okay, cool. Let's do this. I'll go for similar as well. You know what?
That's quite nice.
You got the taste on point.
I like the taste the ginger adds.
It's ready. Probably been resting for about an hour or so. I'm pretty chuffed by that. It's a bit cracked at the bottom, but it seems to have moulded.
Yeah, I think that bit
That bit could be way better. Look at that.
bit of cement there, a bit of tape or something.
Right, are you struggling?
Got it.
You got it. Got it. There we go.
I think that's pretty decent.
That's not bad.
That's good.
First attempt at apple pie there. Not bad.
If you gave that to me with ice cream, I'd eat it.
You'd eat it.
I'd eat it all up.
There's some cooking and chefing
Romeo done.
with Mandeep and Sukh.
Stay tuned. Might be cooking up something next time.
Stay safe. Make sure you're staying at home
Cook it, eat it, and enjoy it.
and bin it because
Don't bin it.
it's a bunch of shit.